Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me. Why am I so awkward all the time when it comes to these things? I don't know. For this video, I am going to do this as a get ready with me, and I'm going to walk you through how I create a simple, very sophisticated, very classy date night makeup look. So, if you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button, follow, get notifications, all that jazz. Like, comment, share, whatever your jam is, and enjoy. Okay, well my skin is prepped, primed, and ready, so let's do this. Okay, so I am using my Naked Reloaded palette, and I am actually going to use this powder to shape my eyebrows and fill those in. And starting at the tail, and filling them in. Good brow, not so good brow, but adequate brow. I don't want to judge my brows and make them feel bad like that. Okay, both my brows are looking like brows. So we're gonna move on to the next part. I am taking my NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop full coverage concealer, and I am going to define my brows and prime my eyes for my eyeshadow with it. Just kind of place that guy and try not to mess it all up. Then take a flat brush, a concealer brush, and blend that puppy all over the lid and pat it down so it melts into your skin. Listen, you guys, just never underestimate the power of a good, strong eyebrow, okay? Strong eyebrows get things done. Okay, now we're gonna take a little bit of setting powder, just a smidgen, and we're going to set all of that in place so it doesn't crease and make a mess. Okay, going back into my Naked Reloaded palette, I'm going to take the shade Boundaries, which you should always set with the people you love, by the way. And I'm just going to set my boundaries right on to my eyelid using a patting motion and a fluffy eyeshadow brush. And you know what? If this is going to be your date night makeup look, you definitely want your boundaries set and firmly in place. Do the other eye too, because boundaries are not a one-way street. Then take a smaller eyeshadow brush and the shade Burn, because we're just about to burn all those boundaries we just spent all that time establishing, and pack that right onto the lid. Look at that shininess. Line your bottom lash line with the same shade and poke yourself in the eye in the process. And then take your dark brown shade from that palette and create a little bit of a wing that you're just going to smoke inward to your upper lash line. Putting lashes on camera makes me super nervous, so we did that off camera. But here's the mascara. Make sure you get both your top and your bottom lashes and stare into the camera like you're going to eat its soul. This is now a great opportunity to take a lunch break and practice your eating faces and conversation skills. Oh yes, yes. Politics are super interesting, aren't they? I am wishing y'all nothing but good date night juju, I swear. If you meet the love of your life after doing your makeup from watching this video and going on a date, please invite me to your wedding. Okay, now I'm gonna apply my base the same way I did in my previous video, my 5-minute makeup routine video. If you haven't watched that, please do, because I'm going to map my face out with my highlight areas with concealer and then place my foundation shade around that, contour, and blush. You know, I bet my exes are watching this right now and just going, oh, she's the one who got away. Not that I'm bitter at them or anything. I'm ready to go to the ball, fairy godmother. Just kidding, we're gonna bibbity bobbity blend. Blend all of this together as if the success of all of your future relationships we're completely dependent on this. Maybe before I go out on a date, I should work on loving myself. Oh yeah, picture perfect. But wait, there's more! Go back into that translucent setting powder and set all those highlighted areas so that way we don't get creasy and smudgy during our fantastic evening that we're about to have. Take your bronzer of choice and amp up the drama in your contoured areas. Do the same thing with your blush. Even place some blush on your nose if you want. People are really loving that cute little sunburned look. Take a little bit of liquid highlight and very daintily place it in the parts that you want highlighted. Maybe your whole face. I'm not one to judge. And now the last thing we have to do is the lips. And since I did a more subtle eye look, I'm gonna go with a more bold lip look. I'm using a plum colored lip liner to start. This looks terrible, but it will get better. I used my finger to kind of blend everybody in there, and now I'm going to take a red lipstick and fill in the center. And now you've got yourself a nice, pretty red berry ombre lip. And now here is your completed date night makeup look. Easy peasy, right? Hopefully you enjoyed this tutorial. I try to upload new videos every month, so make sure you subscribe and click that bell to receive notifications. I'm still learning YouTube, okay? But follow me on all the other platforms as well. I am on the TikTok, I am on Instagram, I am on Facebook. You can join my VIP group, Artistry Addicts, that is on Facebook. And yeah, stay tuned for class announcements and updates and all that good stuff. So take care, guys, much love, and see you around.